This is Jim Hallet, yeah. Jim has been instrumental in leading SCR for many years. He's the immediate past president. Jim, over to you.
Okay, thanks. Yeah. Yes, I am Jim Hallet. I'm an affiliate professor at the University of Montana. Have worked at with SCR for quite a number of years. Talking to you from Darwin, where SCR is having its World Conference, every other year event. This year with over 1,000 attendees, coming together to discuss approaches for ecological restoration, the policy behind ecological restoration, and especially this year, embracing members of the advisory board for the UN Decade on ecosystem restoration. This is an opportunity for expanding the consideration of all types of ecological and restorative practices worldwide. To support this, the UN Decade has a task force on best practices. And I and several other colleagues from the Society for Ecological Restoration have worked very hard in developing specific principles to support the UN Decade. These are based on those that SCR had previously developed and other related guidance. And to ensure effective restoration of all types, we have committed to developing a standards of practice that considers all types of restorative activities along what we call the restorative continuum. And this week, we're going to formally launch this document at a symposium following initial plenary speakers and release it to the world. So we're very excited to have this opportunity, and thank you for watching.